Let's fucking go. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna start the turbo install video. Got the turbo today. But yeah, here's everything. It's got the polished cold side. That shit just looks so fucking beautiful. Look at it. Like, god damn. Alright, let me pull it out for you guys. Look at that. So beautiful, so heavy. All I'm waiting on right now is the dump for the wastegate, and I've got to contact Adam from Tune Plus for a tune for this. Oh god, I'm so excited. I can't fucking believe this shit is here. Woo! Alright. Look at the dump tube, my guy. Fucking beautiful welds. And I'm gonna load the wastegate today with the spring. I just need to fucking figure out how I'm gonna set this camera up. Got the camera set up. Let's commence the fucking spring installation for the wastegate and wrap the day up because I'm tired as hell. These are the springs that we're running for to make 17 PSI. Excited to be working on my car, putting a turbo on it finally. I didn't even think I was gonna be able to do an external wastegate. So there's the top. I don't know, they give a chart of all the parts of the wastegate. This is the actuator top. I guess I'll use the proper terminology. I guess this is what I hit the gym for today though. Let's fucking go. Ooh, that shit. Ooh, the pressure, yo. I'm scared. That's like a time bomb. Alright. God, I'm scared. Oh, fuck. Alright, no. Oh shit. I think that putting this in a vise is the ideal scenario, but I don't have access to a vise right now, so. Actually, I do have access to a C-clamp. Maybe that's a wave. I don't know. I just need to man up and do this shit. I can't believe I'm doing this alone. I'm a fucking idiot. The bolt keeps dropping. Ah. Alright. I think 3 is enough. I hope I didn't. Yeah, that was definitely risky as fuck because I could have cross-threaded one of these bolts. Oh, God, I'm sweating. Dang. Can't even pick up a screw tonight. Oh, damn, that shit isn't sideways, dude. Oh, I'm fucking sweating right now. Wow. The bolt actually bent. Or the screw actually bent. Learn from me, learn from me. Don't do this shit alone. Alright, so I've got good news. The threads in the hole that the bent screw came out of, which is the first one that I tried to thread when I was struggling, are okay. I swapped from the other side into this and the thread's fine. So the threads are okay. I just need new hardware, I think. I don't think I'm going to be able to bend this back into shape without ruining the threads on this. So hopefully AutoZone or Advanced Auto has something for me. Other than that, it's a wrap for the spring install on the wastegate, and I kind of just want to look at the turbo again.